Alright, here we go. By special request, Davis Fabrications Amazing Fryer. We drop everything in at one time. Frog legs, fish, the hush puppies, and french fries. If you watch the video till the end, you'll have all the answers. There's the fresh frog legs. We got egg wash with a little Louisiana prime in it. A fresh catfish. Catfish didn't get any egg wash, just the frog legs. And we use a little Zatarain's fish fry and some corn meal or corn flour. And the egg wash has Louisiana prime sauces, the Caribbean style in it.
I got him.
Dad, look happy.
We'll hold up your frog legs.
I had Max go get that for me off the Facebook Marketplace, the gas pump.
Those are the frog legs. I think it looks really good. Oh yeah. Oh, that stuff looks good now. We're ready to go. 350 degrees. Look at them legs.
Let that grease drip off of it.
Woo!
Wow,
Man.
amazing.
Watch out. Davis Fabrication. Check this out. All right, you guys, you got to check this out. With Davis Fabrication. Shout out to Stalekracker. You ever seen anything like this? My buddy can build you one. Davis Fabrication. I'll put the link below. All right, here we go. We're going down.
Yeah, but
That's what she said. Woo-wee. All right, it's coming out. Man, look at all that fresh frog legs and catfish. Fastest way to cook you some fried food all at one time. Come get you some. Looking at temp right now. See how much it dropped. Oh, it didn't drop much. We put it down at 400. Shoot, it's almost 400 right now. It's about 390. Yeah. All right, check out all this food. It was just cooked. Just 2 drops of that amazing fryer. Thank our Vietnamese buddies for catching all these frogs for us fresh. These right here are so tender and juicy. Look at it, it'll fall right off the bone. What you know about that? Yum, yum, get y'all some.